This is a 2003 Honda Accord ambient temperature sensor replacement. I looked on YouTube, and what I saw in there had people removing the entire front fascia, this entire thing, to replace this part. Well, I'm not sure that's necessary. So I bought the part on, I forget where, probably Amazon. And I saw a variety of prices ranging from this one, which was roughly 15, up to, I think, 40 bucks. So actually I bought the cheap one. You see it's got the two little things inside. Came in a nice white box. So I did not want to remove my entire fascia. So I'm looking to see how to do this, and I've actually already done it, and I decided I was going to make this video, so I sort of put it back together. So if you look through the bottom of the grill, there's the ambient temperature sensor. In order to remove it, right on this end, you slip a screwdriver under that tab, and that releases the catch that's in this little hole. So you're pulling that middle tab out. So I'm going to show you on the new one. This would be the new one. It would be installed. It would look just like this. And in that middle tab, you can see there's a boss in there that engages with the slot. You slide a screwdriver in, and you lift this middle one up like that. And when you do that, you'll be able to slide this off of that metal tab. Once it's off, the next thing you're going to need to do is get your hands in here, and on the connector right here, tapping on it, that piece back there, when you push down on that, it's going to raise the front edge here, which will release the clip. So I'm going to have to set the phone down because it won't fit in my mouth to hold it. I'm going to push on the back here. Going to release this clip, and then I'll be able to pull the sensor, which is black. So by the magic of editing, I have pulled it out of the gray connector. And we'll set it down on the concrete and take this new one. And I think you guys can take it from here. You line up. If you have any trouble, you can look and see where the plugs line up, but you'll also see this has two raised pieces. One right there, and another one right there. And when you look at that gray connector, you will see, there's one spot and it has a very large cutout. I am tapping on that spot. That's where you put the big one on the new one. I'm holding it up against the sky. Right at the top, you can see that big one. That's going to go in there. You slide it in, push it all the way into the connector, and then you slide this other part onto the metal tab, and then you're done.